Hi there, I'm Josh from Fine & Country of Bideford, and behind me is High Park House here in Littleham. This property is a detached 7-bedroom home and it is currently used as a highly successful holiday let. And the property itself does feature inside up to 6,500 square foot, and it does come with additional cottages that you'll see a little bit later on. But enough of the outside, let's take a quick look inside and around the home. Internally here at High Park House features a lovely selection of character, but also with the striking grand staircase, exposed wooden floors, but also tiled as well in areas. The property does include 2 large sitting rooms, a large family breakfast room, as well as a separate dining room, but plenty more still to be explored throughout the home. With the property enjoying a selection of bedrooms, this here being the principal suite, featuring a walk-through dressing room, an ensuite bathroom, and also featuring some lovely views overlooking the front of the property and gardens as well.
Thank you for looking around High Park House and Barns. There's still plenty more to explore, so call us today on 01237 426 018.